Hello friends, here the Dr. Santosh Jadhav, ENT resident. Today I will demonstrate how to take a surgical knots. Surgical knots are very useful in thyroid surgery and any neck surgery. We face surgical knots in day-to-day work in surgical OTs. Let's demonstrate. Consider this is the surgical incision or surgical wound where we have to take a surgical knot. This yellow left side thread considered as left surgical suture. This black right side thread considered as right side suture. I will demonstrate 4 surgical knots. Now let's demonstrate. Firstly, pinch the thread in index and thumb like this. Now right side palm facing downward like this. Then twist that twist that palm like this. Take a left side suture in parallel alignment with that of a right side suture. Then twist the right side middle finger over the left side suture and below the right side suture. Then take the right side suture out like this. This will make your surgical knot. Again I will demonstrate it in a fast motion. Pinch, palm facing downward, twist, parallel alignment, twist middle finger, right side thread, take it out. This makes a perfect knot. Now, the second surgical knot. Hold the surgical thread in like this manner so that forefinger drape over the surgical thread. Now, left side thumb, twist it like this. Then right side suture crisscross over the left side suture so that it makes a figure of 8. Then left hand index finger, put it in a lower quadrant of that figure of 8 which make a grip or claw. Then take out this right side suture like this so it will make a surgical knot. I will demonstrate it in a fast motion like this, twisting like this, crisscross, figure of 8, put index finger in lower quadrant, take right suture, out like this. This completes the second surgical knot. Now the third one. Drape the forefinger over the tooth surgical thread like this. Now put the left index finger below the left surgical knot like this and thumb like this. Then twist the left surgical thread over this right index finger like this. Then twist that finger like this and take out the right surgical knot like this. This makes your surgical knot. Now the fourth surgical knot. Frankly speaking, fourth surgical knot nowadays not practiced, but let's demonstrate. The left side suture is somewhat lengthy than that of the right side suture in this knot. Then follow our first surgical knot. Pinch, palm facing downward, parallel alignment, knot. Only difference is that we are not taking this surgical knot up to the last extent. Yes, here it will be kept. Yes. Then pinch, palm facing downward, take a surgical knot like this. Now we are taking it up to the last extent. This makes your surgical knot. Here what happens, these surgical knots are in a lateral side of the surgical wound, not in a central. So what happens, it will give a better healing to surgical wound or incision. So this will complete the demonstration of all 4 surgical knots. All the best. Thank you.